Hello guys, what is up? I am back after a long time with yet another video, and today I have for you this little Louis Vuitton Cles, which I have harnessed it at home for some time, but it's time to share it with you and talk a little bit about the item and for what I use it. With that, I'm gonna use my other clay, which is the damier graphite option, as you can see here, and this one is the Monogram reverse, my newest acquisition. It's not so new, I have it for some time, but I have just come around to show it to you guys. So as always, it comes in a little Louis Vuitton box together with the Louis Vuitton coated fabric interior calfskin little tag and the receipt. First of all, these things are now starting to be really expensive. This latest clay pricing, I think, is starting to get a little bit out of control, to be honest with you. But I still love my little SLGs from Louis Vuitton, therefore I got this one. The price for it was €230. This personally was picked up in Louis Vuitton Vienna, thanks to a very good friend of mine. I'm not able to go to Vienna much lately, but luckily I have wonderful friends and I'm still able to acquire. I recently been using this one a lot. I'm gonna show you what I have in it at the moment. It's not all the time the same, but at the moment I have a Victorinox pocket knife, but I did use it as a little wallet when I was in Italy for vacation. This housed my little, I called it coffee coins and notes when going out in the morning to get some coffee. But without further ado and chit chat, these things are very multi-purpose. Here is the one I picked up latest. There we go. Okay. So one side is, and I apologize, the sun is shining into my apartment at the moment, but as you can see, one side is in monogram, in the shadow monogram, in dark monogram, and the other one is monogram reverse. So monogram Eclipse and monogram reverse, which is absolutely beautiful. I love this print. The gray on this one is just beautiful. The hardware is also a little bit different to the graphite version, and I'll show this now. The graphite version has a completely silver, while this one has more of a gunmetal hardware, which I believe is even more beautiful. Here is the difference. Size-wise, obviously they are the same. Function-wise also. So there is a little clip which you can use to clip on your keys in both of those. And also, again, the clip is the same color as the zipper, which is matte silver or gunmetal silver. There we go. Zippers are smooth as always on Louis Vuitton. There. If the price of €230 is not too much for you, I can recommend this item, because I said I'm able to put in it many things. And what do I have anything here on the table that I can show? So let's say I would put in a lip balm from Cles. Here we go. And I'll add a correction stick from Tom Ford. There we go. And I'm still able to close this. Let me demonstrate like this. Throw this in my bag or clip it somewhere in my bag. I use this to clip this item somewhere in my bag. And therefore, if I'm rummaging around my bag, and I'm pulling something out, I don't throw this out of my bag, so it's secure. So I use this for this, or as I said, you can use this to attach your keys and have this as a key Cles, as it's kind of intended to be, but I'm not able to do that because my keys are very bulky, because I do have an air tag on them and also a mini flashlight and a mini Victorinox knife. Therefore, if I would put it in here, I would need to bulge it out, and I don't want to do that. There. So, is this worth 230 euro or not? Honestly, I don't think it's worth its weight in money. But nevertheless, if you are collecting and you like these little items as much as I do, I can recommend you to get it from that purpose. If not, you can get something which is more functional and much less money. And I'll give you an example. Here is my Topo Micro mountain bag, which houses my leader notice, a 1000 lumen flashlight, a little Victorinox knife, and a little cash. And this you can pick up for around 50 euros, okay? I'm 15, not 50, I apologize. And it is obviously even bigger than this, not by much, but it is. But because it's made out of this material, it stretches out a little bit and it can accommodate more stuff. Just a little comparison in this little video. That said, thank you very much for watching my video. I apologize, I've been not around a lot lately, but life is getting in the way. That said, I hope you are doing well and you are good and everything is fine. Do let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. If not, thank you very much and I'll see you next time. Bye.